Hi friends, now I will do another experiment. In this, that's the experiments need the following materials: turmeric liquid, lemon juice, liquid soap, dropper, bowl. In this experiment,
we will test the neutralization of solution using an indicator, turmeric. Take 2 empty glass bowls. Pour some lemon juice in the first bowl. Pour some soap liquid in the second bowl. Add few drops of turmeric liquid to the lemon juice. Now add few drops to the soap liquid. Now add some lemon juice to the soap liquid.
thank you for watching my video. Click subscribe button to get my latest updates. Thank you.